Alright, here are the stars of the show. Let's open them up, shall we? So excited. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So there's 10 all told. It's like a grown-up Christmas in here. What do we open first? Let's go with this guy. Yeah, I was looking to see if there was any indicators of what this was, but I guess since they're a blind box, they're not going to tell you what's in there. It's just some Terminator. Let's see, what is this guy? So, there's this one. It's got the Cyclone missile launcher, or some kind of missile launcher. And what looks like either a bolt pistol or maybe a storm bolter. Huh. These are pretty nice, gotta say. Oh, and it has a card to tell you who he is. So, Brother Ebelius. I don't know what any of this means yet, but it's neat. Ah, they've even got like cool bases. I like it. That one's done. Let's go with this one. This is Brother Captain Donato. And he's a fabulous Terminator. He's got a cape. That's how you know he's fabulous. Cool sword. Neat. Card goes back in. What is this? Oh, instruction guide. I see. And so it tells you who the Space Marines that are included with Brother Durago. I don't know how rare that's supposed to be, but since I bought the full box, I'm going to open the full box. Doesn't matter. I assume I'm going to get that in there. I think that's what I heard. I should have already. Okay. Put it back in there. Okay. Let's do this guy. There's this guy, Brother Sanictus. Brother Sanictus. Okay. So he's got 2 lightning claws. 2 lightning claws. Got a cool pose. He's hoofing it. Yeah. Looking forward to this. This is Brother Ferron. Ferron. It's hard to say, man. Ferron. So he's on a complicated base. It's got what? An assault cannon. Neat. This is Brother Sergeant Victorno. So he's got a storm shield and a thunder hammer. Ah, your choice of heads. It's a nice noggin selection. I wonder if I can swap some of these parts over for the... there's a dual-handed thunder hammer in my Kill Team box set that I'm working on right now. I'm not filming that one just because I want to paint it and not worry about stuff. If it comes out pretty, I'll show you guys if you're interested. Here we have Brother Aramus. Storm Shield and Thunder Hammer. Yeah, it looks tiny compared to the double-handed Thunder Hammer in the Kill Team box. Oh, these are some nice details. There's like battle damage on some of those parts. It's a nice touch. All right, who's this guy? We've got Brother Dyrell. What is happening with this miniature? There's like a servitor, skull servitor. Is that what that is? Yeah, he's got... yeah, looks like a skull servitor on the base. Stormbolter. Maybe a power fist. Ooh, standard bearer. This must be that one guy. Yeah. Brother Darago. So, if he was a one thing that was rare, it is in fact included in the box. Let's take a look. So there's that standard. Looks nice. Looks like he's got a power fist and a stormbolter. The armor seems to be a bit more ornate. Pretty cool looking. And that is Brother Faello. Right there. Stormbolter and Power Fist. Yeah, pretty straightforward. Power Fist, Stormbolter, Noggins. All right, this is the last one. Brother Aramis. I feel like we already got Brother Aramis. Well, one of them was bound to be a repeat, right? So that was Space Marine Heroes 2nd edition. I thought about getting the 1st edition. There's still some around, but I'm not quite sure where I would use them. But maybe. 3rd edition, I know they're out, or at least you can pre-order them. I'm less interested in them. They look cool, but I'm not a chaos guy. I'm a good guy kind of a player. I do either Imperial Guard, Space Marines. I'll do some Xenos, like Eldar. Not the bad Eldar, but the good Eldar. I'll do Tau, right, for the greater good. So I probably won't be getting the 3rd edition, but I might change my mind because it looked like they're cool. But I'm gonna wait. Let's finish something first, right? So it looks like I got all of these dudes, with the exception, I think, of that guy, right? He's like, he's a special character. Oh wait, no, never mind. There's only one guy on here with a cape. There's only one Terminator with a cape, and I know we had a cape guy. So we got the cape guy, and we got standard bearer guy. So those are the 2 rare ones. So there's there's 8 models here. There's 10 models in here, so there's 2 repeats. I think this will be a very nice addition to my Space Marine, my Deathwatch army, particularly the shooty guys. But it depends on how I fill up that squad. I know that you mix them up depending on your tactical situation. So, what are my reactions to this? I mean, I had a good time. I mean, it's a cool concept, right? I'm not a huge fan of blind boxes, but this is cool. You get something different than you would get. It's kind of limited edition, but it's not, right? It's like pseudo-limited. Here's the thing I don't like. Aside from the cost, right? I mean, it is a squad of it's 8 Terminators for like 70, 80 bucks, something like that. I don't know what the price point was when they were originally released, but that's kind of a pricey kit. But you get some cool characters, right? You get some interesting models, you get some cool bases, they're in interesting poses. And it brings a special little flavor to your army, potentially. So it's a nice thing. I am a little torn, though, because I'm kind of a hippy-dippy peacenik kind of a dude, and this is a lot of waste. So there's, inside, there's such little thing. There's nothing in there. But each one of these has its own box, printed up, its own ink. This thing is a container. I'm going to throw it away. There's a lot of waste. And I know that's part of the Warhammer experience. We're taking bits of plastic, coating it with paint, using super glue. There's a lot of waste. I feel like hobbies and crafting, there's a lot of waste there. So I do feel guilty about it, but also, it's so much fun. Anyway, I'll paint some of these up later. And I'll put them up in Deathwatch livery. They should be pretty cool. I hope I don't mess them up too much. Thanks for watching.